Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook, because sometimes we need to turn off two-factor authentication. So I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Facebook application and go to Play Store and then update your Facebook applications. So after updating, then click on Open Options. And here you will see three dot on top right, click on it. And then you will see Setting Options, click on it. And here you will see Meta Account Center, click on here. So after that you will see password and security options, click on it. And here you will see two-factor authentication options, click on it. And then choose the Facebook, because I want to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. That's why I will click on Facebook. So it asks you about your password. So after entering password, click on continue options. So here you can see two-factor authentication is on. So I will click on text message. So click on here. Then turn it off. So you can see turn off two-factor authentication. So you can see two-factor authentications. So turn it off. So in this way you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.